Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit a course. If you need to change a lesson or do a lesson update on the video or anything like that, this is how we can do that. So go ahead and open up your courses tab on the left sidebar here, and then we will see the couple courses we have created, and choose edit on the course you wish to edit here, over here on the right. And then from here we can make changes to titles, descriptions, price, any of the edits we need to make here, change the logo, stuff like that. But for the courses, modules, and lessons, go ahead and click on that tab on the top. And let's say we want to change the video for lesson 2 of the projects module. We'll go ahead and click on the edit button for that lesson. And then we can go ahead and paste in a new URL here. And so our video then has now updated, and then we can save it. The other cool thing you can do is you can also rearrange these lessons. So maybe you created them in the wrong order, or you found that it makes more sense to have a different flow. Maybe it's easier for people to learn if you do it a different order. You can just change these without having to go back through and do a whole bunch of stuff to it. And this will update across all implementations of this. So wherever people are accessing your client portal or in the marketplace there on their courses, this will all be updated. Go ahead and save that. Um, you can also edit the members by choosing to add or remove members if you need to.